Donald Trump's former fixer and lawyer Michael Cohen acknowledged on his final day of testimony that he stole thousands of dollars from his former boss's company. The admission came as Mr. Trump's lawyers sought to uncover as many unsavory details as they could about the past conduct of the prosecution's star witness. Under questioning from lead defense lawyer Todd Blanche, Cohen admitted to stealing tens of thousands from his boss's company. "You did steal from the Trump Organization?" Mr. Trump's lead lawyer asked Cohen on Monday. "Yes, sir," Cohen replied without hesitation. The criminal trial, the first against a former U.S. president, seems to be drawing to an end as closing statements are expected to take place next week. Mr. Trump is charged with 34 felony counts of falsifying business records for allegedly recording reimbursements to Cohen for a hush money payment made to an adult film star as legal expenses. He has pleaded not guilty. For days, Mr. Blanche has sought to discredit the case's star witness in the eyes of the jury. On Monday, testimony yielded few fireworks, but highlighted a specific aspect of Cohen's reimbursements. Under questioning from Mr. Blanche, Cohen said he submitted a $50,000 reimbursement request for a payment to the tech company Red Finch. Mr. Trump owed the company $50,000, but Cohen said he repaid the firm only $20,000, delivering the cash payment in a paper bag to a contact at Red Finch, he testified. According to BBC News partner CBS, he then submitted a reimbursement request in early 2017 to the Trump Organization for the full $50,000 tab minus $30,000 more than he had actually paid the tech company. Red Finch was hired to boost Mr. Trump's ranking in an online poll about history's most notable business leaders, Cohen explained last week. Prosecutor Susan Hoffinger later asked Cohen to elaborate on why he asked for the full amount. "Why did you take that extra $30," Ms. Hoffinger asked Monday. Cohen responded that he was angry that his bonus had been reduced that year and that asking for a larger reimbursement was almost like self-help. When Ms. Hoffinger asked if he understood that what he had done was wrong, Cohen responded that he did. Cohen also testified that as he requested a reimbursement for the Red Finch payment, he also sought to be paid back for his $130,000 payment to adult film star Stormy Daniels ahead of the 2016 election. A document central to the case shows the reimbursement plan to Cohen scratched out in the handwriting of Trump Organization Chief Financial Officer Alan Weisselberg. Weisselberg's notes show how Cohen was to be reimbursed for the Daniels payout, as well as his Red Finch expenses. In early 2017, Cohen began submitting invoices for his repayment. The trial is focused on the fallout from the hush money payment to Ms. Daniels, who said she had a sexual encounter with Mr. Trump.
Tonight,
he denies having sex with Ms.
Michael Cohen facing
Daniels.
a scathing
The
second
total
day of
reimbursements for these expenses and the allegedly fraudulent way they were recorded form the basis for the charges in the case.
For payback.
As the man who received the allegedly fraudulent reimbursement,
The jury hearing
Cohen was
on
called
his
by
podcast,
prosecutors to
appearing
speak to
in
his
search of
boss's alleged
vengeance.
intent and knowledge of the repayment scheme. But Cohen's criminal record and history of lying to Congress in 2017, and by his
Tension
own
in the room
admission
building
to a
to a
judge during
dramatic
his later
moment.
criminal
Trump attorney
proceedings,
Todd Blanche
provided ample
accusing
ground for
Cohen
Mr.
of
Trump's
lying about a
attorneys
key
to
part of
assail
his
his
testimony.
trustworthiness. Without Mr. Cohen, there is no case, Mr. Blanche told Justice Juan Merchan late on Monday, during a procedural motion to throw out the case. And he not only lied repeatedly in the past under oath, but he lied in this courtroom. During cross-examination, Mr. Blanche sought to portray Cohen as motivated by greed. Under questioning, Cohen testified he made over $4 million from his books and podcasts that focus heavily on Mr. Trump. The question to you today is whether a conviction benefits you financially, Mr. Blanche asked. The answer is no, Cohen replied. It's better if he's not convicted, because it gives me more to talk about in the future. Mr. Trump's attorneys also called lawyer Robert Costello, who worked with Cohen when he was under federal investigation in 2018. Mr. Costello described Cohen's behavior at the time as manic, but his testimony was quickly eclipsed by his conduct on the stand, which drew the ire of Justice Merchan. At one point, Justice Merchan cleared the courtroom, presumably to rebuke Mr. Costello about his comments from the witness stand. Prosecutors on redirect had one more chance to patch up the holes Mr. Blanche worked to punch in their case. Ms. Hoffinger pushed back against the defense's claims that Cohen participated in the case for personal gain.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.